Let's talk about power. Raw, unadulterated power. Not the kind that runs through wires, but the kind that moves mountains of timber. We're diving headfirst into the world of wood processing machines, where steel teeth rip through logs like butter and hydraulics groan under the strain of nature's giants. These are the workhorses, the unsung heroes of construction, furniture, and countless other industries. They're the embodiment of getting things done. Imagine the roar of a diesel engine, shaking the ground beneath your feet. Picture massive saw blades, spinning at unimaginable speeds, reducing towering trees to manageable planks in mere seconds. This isn't your grandpa's woodworking shop. This is where brute force meets precision engineering. Whether you're a seasoned logger, a weekend warrior with a wood-fired hot tub, or just someone who appreciates a well-crafted table, these machines demand respect. They represent the intersection of human ingenuity and the raw power of nature. And trust me, it's a sight to behold. Before we get into the modern marvels, let's take a trip down memory lane. Imagine a time when the world was simpler, and the hum of machinery was a new and exciting sound. The early 20th century was a period of incredible innovation and hard work, where the foundation of modern industry was being laid, one log at a time. Back when men were men and engines sounded like a coffee can full of bolts, there was the hit and miss. These engines were the backbone of many industries, providing the necessary power to drive machinery in an era before electricity was widespread. The hit-and-miss engine was a marvel of its time, a symbol of the industrial age's raw, unrefined power. This wasn't just a name, it was an apt description. The term hit-and-miss referred to the engine's unique operating cycle. It would hit when the engine needed power, firing a burst of energy, and miss when the load was light, conserving fuel and reducing wear. This ingenious design allowed these engines to run efficiently and reliably, even under varying loads. These early 20th century engines were the heartbeat of early sawmills, powering through logs with a rhythmic chug. 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 The sound of a hit-and-miss engine at work was a familiar and comforting one, a steady beat that echoed through the forests and fields where these sawmills operated. Powering through logs with a rhythmic chug, chug, chug. The engine's rhythm was almost musical, a testament to the precision and craftsmanship that went into its design and construction. Each chug represented a burst of power, a moment of triumph over the raw, unyielding wood. The beauty of the hit-and-miss was its simplicity. In an age before computers and complex electronics, these engines relied on basic mechanical principles to get the job done. This simplicity made them incredibly robust and easy to maintain, qualities that were highly valued in the often harsh and demanding environments where they were used. No fancy electronics, just pure mechanical muscle. The hit-and-miss engine was a workhorse, designed to keep running under the toughest conditions. Its straightforward design meant that it could be repaired with basic tools and a bit of know-how, making it an indispensable piece of equipment for many early 20th century industries. When the load got heavy, the engine would hit, firing off a powerful explosion. This burst of energy was enough to keep the machinery running smoothly, even when the going got tough. The engine's ability to deliver power on demand was one of its greatest strengths, allowing it to handle a wide range of tasks with ease. When things eased up, it would miss a cycle, conserving fuel and making that distinctive sound that echoed through the forests. This characteristic hit-and-miss sound was more than just a quirk. It was a sign of the engine's efficiency and clever design. By only firing when necessary, the engine could run longer on less fuel, a crucial advantage in remote areas where supplies were limited. These engines were built to last, often outliving their owners. Their durability was a testament to the quality of their construction and the ingenuity of their design. Many hit-and-miss engines are still in operation today, a century after they were first built, a remarkable achievement for any piece of machinery. They were symbols of a bygone era, a testament to the ingenuity of early engineers who squeezed every ounce of power out of simple machines. These pioneers of industry were able to create engines that were not only powerful and efficient, but also reliable and easy to maintain. Their work laid the groundwork for the technological advancements that would follow, and their legacy can still be seen in the machinery we use today. Today, they're collector's items, but their legacy lives on in the spirit of rugged dependability. Enthusiasts and collectors around the world cherish these engines, restoring them to their former glory and preserving a piece of industrial history. The hit-and-miss engine is more than just a machine. It's a symbol of an era when ingenuity and hard work were the driving forces behind progress. Its story is a reminder of how far we've come and a tribute to the men and women who helped build the modern world. Now, before you go thinking about firing up Grandpa's old sawmill, let me tell you a story. It's a tale that might just make you think twice before stepping into the world of woodworking without the proper respect and caution. A few years back, I was filming an episode of Dirty Jobs at a lumber mill. This wasn't just any lumber mill, it was one of the busiest and most well-equipped facilities I'd ever seen. The air was thick with the smell of fresh-cut wood, and the sound of machinery was almost deafening. We had all the safety gear, the experienced crew, the whole 9 yards. Helmets, gloves, steel-toed boots, and high-visibility vests were the order of the day. The crew was a seasoned bunch, each with years of experience under their belts. They knew the ins and outs of every machine, every process. But even with all that, things can go wrong in a heartbeat. Machines, no matter how well maintained, can malfunction. Human error can creep in when you least expect it. And in an environment where high-speed blades and heavy logs are the norm, the stakes are incredibly high. One of the guys, a seasoned pro, got a little too comfortable around a high-speed planer. He'd been working with that machine for years, knew it like the back of his hand. But familiarity can breed complacency, and that's where the danger lies. One minute he was feeding lumber, the next his hand was inches from those spinning blades. It happened so fast that it was almost a blur. 1 second of inattention, 1 moment of distraction, and he was in a life-threatening situation. Thankfully, he had the reflexes of a cat and pulled back just in time. His quick reaction saved him from what could have been a catastrophic injury. But not everyone is so lucky. In the blink of an eye, a simple task can turn into a nightmare. But it was a stark reminder that these machines don't discriminate. They don't care if you're a novice or a veteran. They don't care if it's your first day on the job or your 1,000th. The moment you let your guard down, they can and will remind you of their power. These aren't toys. They're powerful tools that demand respect. Each machine, from the smallest saw to the largest planer, has the potential to cause serious harm. They are designed to cut through wood with ease, and they can do the same to flesh and bone. Always wear your safety glasses, use ear protection, and never, ever let your guard down. Safety gear isn't just a suggestion, it's a necessity. It can be the difference between a close call and a trip to the emergency room. One mistake can cost you a finger, a limb, or even your life. The consequences of a momentary lapse in concentration can be devastating. It's not just about protecting yourself. It's about ensuring that you can continue to do the work you love without putting yourself at unnecessary risk. Remember, it's better to be safe than sorry, especially when you're dealing with the kind of power that can turn a tree trunk into toothpicks. So the next time you step into a wood shop or a lumber mill, take a moment to remind yourself of the importance of safety. Respect the machines, stay vigilant, and always prioritize your well-being. After all, no piece of wood is worth more than your life. All right, let's get back to the good stuff, the heavy hitters of the wood processing world. These machines are the unsung heroes, tirelessly working behind the scenes to transform raw timber into the essential materials we use every day. From the dense forests to the bustling mills, these mechanical marvels are the backbone of the wood processing industry. First up, we've got the Cranman Bison 10000X. This isn't just any sawmill, it's a powerhouse designed to tackle the toughest jobs with ease. This behemoth is basically a mobile sawmill on steroids. Imagine a machine so powerful that it can be transported to remote locations and set up in no time, ready to process logs on site. It can handle logs up to 40 feet long and turn them into lumber faster than you can say timber. The efficiency and speed of this machine are unparalleled, making it a favorite among professionals in the industry. Then there's the Lemac hydraulic stump shear. This machine is a game-changer for anyone involved in land clearing and forestry management. Imagine a giant pair of scissors, but instead of cutting paper, they're ripping out tree stumps like they're weeds. The sheer power and precision of this machine are awe-inspiring. This machine is a land clearer's dream. making quick work of even the most stubborn stumps. It saves countless hours of manual labor and ensures that the land is ready for the next phase of development. And let's not forget the unsung hero of the logging industry, the Volvo FH750 logging truck. This truck is the workhorse that keeps the entire operation moving smoothly. This beast of burden hauls those massive logs out of the forest, navigating rugged terrain with ease. Its robust design and powerful engine make it capable of handling the most challenging conditions. It's the backbone of the operation, ensuring that those valuable resources make it to the mills. Without this reliable truck, the entire supply chain would come to a halt. These are just a few examples of the incredible machines that are shaping the wood processing industry. Each one is a testament to human ingenuity and engineering prowess. Each one plays a crucial role, from felling trees to turning them into the lumber that builds our homes and furniture. The journey from forest to finished product is a complex and fascinating process, made possible by these extraordinary machines. So next time you see a piece of furniture or a wooden structure, take a moment to appreciate the incredible machinery and the hard work that went into creating it. The wood processing industry is a vital part of our economy, providing jobs and resources that are essential to our way of life. These machines not only make the work more efficient but also safer and more sustainable. As technology continues to advance, we can expect even more innovative solutions to emerge, further revolutionizing the industry. The future of wood processing looks bright, with advancements in automation and robotics leading the way. Imagine a world where machines can operate autonomously, reducing the need for human intervention and increasing productivity. The possibilities are endless, and the impact on the industry will be profound. But no matter how advanced the technology becomes, the human element will always be crucial. Skilled operators and workers are the heart and soul of the industry, ensuring that these machines run smoothly and efficiently. Their expertise and dedication are what make the wood processing industry truly remarkable. Sustainability is also a key focus, with many companies adopting practices that ensure the long-term health of our forests. Reforestation efforts and sustainable logging practices are helping to balance the demand for wood with the need to protect our natural resources. It's a delicate balance, but one that is essential for the future of the industry and our planet. So, as we continue to innovate and improve, let's not forget the importance of preserving our forests for future generations. The wood processing industry has come a long way, and with continued advancements and a commitment to sustainability, it will continue to thrive for years to come. These machines, from the Cranman Bison 10,000X to the Volvo FH750 logging truck, are more than just tools. They are the lifeblood of an industry that touches every aspect of our lives. Here's to the incredible machinery and the people who make it all possible.